In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix WhatsApp application crashing. If WhatsApp is crashing, there are few things you should try on. First and foremost, clear the app cache. Head to your phone settings. Select General. You want to head to iPhone storage. Now in the search bar, search for the WhatsApp application. Then tap on Offload app. This refreshes the application by uninstalling. You don't have to worry about anything. All messages are secure and nothing will be deleted. Go ahead and tap on Reinstall app. The WhatsApp application will start reinstalling. In most cases, this method could solve out the issue of WhatsApp crashing. The other basic things you should look up to are to check for system updates and also free up storage space and maybe disable battery optimization for WhatsApp in settings. Well, that's how easy it is to fix WhatsApp application not working. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.